It was one fine winter evening. I was sitting by the window side, reading a book, while my latte was getting cold. Life is beautiful, I had thought to myself, but it changed upside down in minutes. Suddenly, I felt severe pain in the chest, and I realized I was all alone. Let's see how to create a storytime video similar to the one you just watched. This video is for beginners who want to learn about animation video making. First of all, I'll explain the different steps involved in creating a storytime animation video. Then we'll see how to create a scene and how to create custom animation characters and animate them. And finally, I'll show you how to add voiceover to the characters.
Hi there.
And add copyright-free music tracks. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first step in creating an animation video is to choose a topic. Choose a topic that is familiar to you. For example, if you are a school student, you can create storytime videos about school life. Choosing a familiar topic has many advantages. You won't run out of ideas in the long run. Your videos will be more relatable to your audience as you know what you are talking about. So choose a familiar topic. The next step in creating a storytime video is to write a script. The feel of the script is totally up to your creativity. It can be funny, sarcastic, dark humored, etc. But try to be consistent with all your scripts so that in the long run your audience will know what to expect from your videos and your channel. Once the script is ready, record it into a voiceover. And when the audio is ready, we can start creating the visuals. Let's see how to create the visuals after the voiceover is ready. Use the link in the description and visit the website of Animaker. Select the create option on the center and sign up for a new account. You will be directed to the dashboard. From here, select the create option on the left, followed by selecting create a video and blank page. A new project will open. This is the interface of the Animaker application. In the center is the workspace. On the right hand side is the scene section. Scenes are similar to what you call slides in a presentation. Similar to how several slides combine to form a presentation, several scenes combine to form a video. On the bottom is the timeline. By default, the animation timeline will be open. You also have a video and audio timeline, and the last one is the camera timeline. On the left hand side is the library. It has different elements like animated characters, properties and icons, stock images and videos, special effects, and even copyright-free music tracks that you will need to create a video. Let's go to the upload section and add the narration voiceover track to the video. Select the upload icon and add the track. Click on the track to add it to the video. You can see the video and audio timeline in open and the newly added voiceover track in it. Let's hear the audio so that we can create the visuals according to it. It was one fine winter evening. Let's create a scene for the first sentence of the audio. I want a backdrop with snow. So I'm going to search for the word snow under the background section. Now let's add the snowfall effect. Go to the special effects section, present at the bottom of the library, and select this effect over here. Remember that the key to a good looking scene is how well you can visualize it. I want the audio to start a little later, so I'm moving the track in the timeline. Let's have a preview. It was one fine winter evening. I was sitting by the window side, reading a book, while my latte was getting. I want the first scene to end with the first sentence of the audio, and the first sentence ends around the 6th second. So let's reduce the duration of the scene to 6 seconds. Switch to the animation timeline. You can use the plus and minus options over here to increase or decrease the duration of a scene. Let's make the scene a bit more interesting by adding a camera effect. Switch to the camera timeline and click on this option over here. You will get two more options, static camera option and the dynamic camera option. The static camera effect is applied by default to the scene. You can also notice the frame of the camera on the workspace. Select the dynamic camera effect and adjust the frame of the camera to focus on a particular part of the workspace. You can also notice a pink colored part in the timeline. It represents the duration of the camera effect. I want the camera effect to happen throughout the entire scene, so I'm extending its length till the end of the scene's duration. It was one fine winter evening. Let's create the scene number 2. Go to the scene section on the right hand side and click on the add scene option. For this scene, I want to show the interior of a house. So I'm going to the background section of the library and opening the subsection home. I'm selecting this one because it has the holiday season vibes to it. Let's add some properties like a Christmas tree, a chair, a table to make the scene more lively. According to the audio, we should show a person sitting here and reading a book. So let's add a character. To add a character, go to the character section on the library. I want a character wearing a sweater. I don't think there is a character that looks like that, so let's create a custom character. Go to the My Character section and click on the Create Your Own option. It will open the character builder. Now choose the type of character and a basic template to begin with. We can change the skin color, hairstyle, other facial and physical features. Let's change his attire. I am going to the top wear section and selecting a sweater. You can also change the color of the dress. Using all these options, you can create literally billions of unique characters. Once all the changes are made, save the character. Now get back to the project and switch between the inbuilt and custom character section in the library. Now you can see the new character. Click on it. It will appear in the workspace. On the right hand side, you can notice the Actions tab. It has more than 500 different actions. We want this character to look like reading a book. I'm gonna place this character over this beanbag and make him look like he's sitting over it. Let's preview the scene. I was sitting by the window side, reading a book, while my latte was getting cold. Life is beautiful, I had thought to myself. But it changed upside down in minutes. I'm going to increase the duration of the scene so that I'll be able to create visuals for the remaining voiceover. In the script, there is also another action in which the character is having heart attack, which means there should be two actions done by the same character, right? Let's see how to add multiple actions to the same character. Select the character and you can notice a set of options appearing along with it. This is called the item menu. Within the item menu, you have an option called Action Plus. Click on it. The current action is the first action. To add the second action, go to the right hand side and click on the plus icon over here. This will add a new action. Now select the type of action from the Actions tab. On the timeline, you can notice two thumbs. They represent each of the actions. Now select the second action in the timeline and place it in the right duration. Now give apply. In the same way, you can add multiple actions to the same character using the Action Plus option. Now I want to add a character to show the narrator who is explaining this whole story. For this, I'm going to use one of the characters from the library. This one looks fine. I want this character to appear at the end of the scene. On the timeline, you can notice a purple colored bar. It indicates the duration for which the particular element is going to be visible. As we want this character to be visible only at the end of the scene, right after the narration voiceover ends, I'm going to select and drag the left edge of this bar and keep it at the end. Let's add an animation effect to the character. Select the settings option from the item menu. Here you can find a couple of options named Enter Effect and Exit Effect. These options allow you to add enter and exit animation effects. Let's add an enter animation effect. You can notice a new pink colored part in the timeline. It indicates the duration for which the animation effect is going to take place. If you want the animation effect for a longer time, you can extend the length of this pink part, but I'm fine with the default duration. Let's see how to add voiceover to the characters in the video. Go to the item menu of the character, select the option named voiceover. You will get 3 more options to add voiceover. You can directly record your voice using the record voice option, or you can use the text to speech option and type in the audio as a text. Or you can upload the pre-recorded audio using the upload option. For this video, I'm going to use the upload option. The audio will automatically lip sync with the character. Let's add a music track. Go to the music section in the library. Here you can find more than 30,000 copyright-free music tracks. Keep the pointer over a track to have a preview. And click on the track to add it to the video. On the timeline, let me select the newly added music track. You can see a few more options. You can have a preview of the track, control its volume, duplicate and delete the track. Let's reduce the volume of the track so that it won't affect the voiceovers that we added earlier. Let's add a camera effect using the camera timeline in the same way we did for the previous scene. As the last step, let's add the transition effect. Go to the scene section and click on the option between the two scenes. There are more than 50 transition effects. Let's have a preview of the video. Click on the preview option at the top to have a preview of all the scenes together. It was one fine winter evening. I was sitting by the window side, reading a book, while my latte was getting cold. Life is beautiful, I had thought to myself. But it changed upside down in minutes. Suddenly I felt severe pain in the chest, and I realized I was all alone. In the same way, upload the voiceovers, create the matching visuals, and complete your Storytime video. To download the video, use the publish option at the top, then select the download video option and then download option. That's it. Now you know how to create an animation video for your Storytime channel. Check out our channel for more animation video making tips and tutorials.